if you're feeling a little overwhelmed by all the craziness going on in the world, I invite you to use this tool, this affirmation, this prayer that was given to me by my spirit guide, Althor, to help encourage the heart in this time of chaos. And it goes like this. I am safe. I am clear. I am free from all fear. I am light. I am strong. I am connected to all being. I am love. I am love. I am love. I am grateful for the beauty